Welcome back. This is Chili Davis. I'm back to do another video. I want to welcome all my subscribers and welcome back to my new viewers. And thank you for coming. Thank you for stopping by. And if you enjoy the content, please click the notification button. Please also give it a like and also subscribe. So I'm here in my Robinhood account and I'm going to go over my top stocks for today. Looks like there's just a few. So first ticker we have is GOOGL, or Google, is up 1.16. So we take a look at Google's chart for the day. It's up 1.16. And we look at the 52-week high. 52-week highs is 2,500. And it's pretty close to that. So not a lot of room if you were looking to get in it right now. But if it falls down a little bit, maybe back to see, falls back down to 2,400, might be a good time to buy some more. So there's Google. Google's up 1.16 for the day. Next ticker symbol we have that's up for the day, CMG or Chipotle is up 1.46. So let's take a look at Chipotle. CMG. And Chipotle is up 1.46 as we've seen in Robinhood. This is the Mexican grill food, and the 52-week high is $1,617. So it looks like it's at its peak. Probably want to catch it maybe somewhere in 1,500, like it was on July 8th. You can catch it on a dip. Pick up some Chipotle. Let's see. Next ticker symbol we have is NUE. And I think Nucor could still be possibly a buy. Ticker symbol NUE or Nucor. It's under $100 per share right now. So as you can see, I think I got in at like $70. But if it falls back down to 94 or so, 95. So last Wednesday it was 95, and for that was actually $91 per share. The steel making company Nucor, related to products based in Charlotte, North Carolina, largest steel maker in the United States. There's a possibility you want to buy this because Biden will be doing a large infrastructure bill, $1.9 trillion to rebuild Back America Better. So just keep that in mind. It may not move as fast as you'd like, but Nucor could be a buy under $100 right now. Next ticker symbol we have is Upstart. Upstart Holdings, or ticker symbol UPST. So let's take a look at the chart. Now I love using Google. It's so simple. It gives you all this extra information. Plus gives you the news tab right there. So it says Upstart is an AI lending platform that partners with banks to provide personal loans in non-traditional variables, such as education, employment, to predict credit worthiness. Okay, so Upstart Holdings, they basically do loans based off some data points of your consumer information, and their 52-week high is 191. So here's the thing about Upstart Holdings. I enjoy it, but when this thing swings, it swings up, and when it swings back the other way, it swings down. So let me show you. So I actually need a must see, but see, it's not been out that much. Okay, so you see back in March, it peaked at 164, and then it tended to come down. It came down as far as 84, and now it's climbing back up. So it went back up to 170, and now it's back down to 120. So just be careful on this one. If you do get into it, you might want to wait for it to come down a little bit, but be careful because when this thing swings, it swings down. So that is AI lending platform, Upstart Holdings. And next ticker symbol we have is Square. Square basically, or SQ, basically moved 0.60, so not even quite 0.1%. But I still think Square has a lot of room to run. Okay, so as we can see, Square was up 0.60. Its 52 high is 283. I believe it's on track. I believe Jack Dorsey, the CEO of Square, knows what he's doing, and the stock is going to come back and it's going to get close to that 52-week high, 283. You're going to see some bumps and bruises along the way. I want to say about a month ago, you could have got in at like $200. Yeah, back in January, you could have got in at 202. And back in March, you could have got in at 207. And back in the end of May, you could have got in at like 210. So Square is still a play. Just really depends on how much you're trying to get back. Here's a game I like to play. I like to think about this like, if I'm thinking this stock can go to 283, and I say 243 minus 283, that's $40. And I want to say $40 of 243. That's like a gain of 16%, a little over 10%. So I'm probably really, I mean, yeah, you can buy into Square and it's a decent earning. So, you know, after a few months, if this goes back to 280, you earn 16%. But there's hundreds of other stocks you could add more into your portfolio and you could gain more than just 16% over a year or over 6 months. So just be wise about that, but also be wise about adding quality to your stock portfolio. So I love Square. I've been part of Square since 2017. So it's not like I'm, you know, tired of this stock. I'll never get tired. I'll take some off the top from time to time, but it's still good stock, good quality stock over time. Let's see, Robinhood. Okay, let's see. Facebook was up 0.79. Roblox was up 0.23. Ford was up 0.83. Revolve Group was up 1.31. Let's take a look at Revolve Group. Move 1.31% today, and its high is actually 73. So this definitely wouldn't be a good time to get involved with Revolve Group. It's trading too high. It's at its peak. The peak is $73 per share. And you know, there's other charts you could look at, but I would just say for right now, if I would not buy, you know, Revolve Group today. Actually, today might be a good day to take some profit on Revolve. All right, and ticker symbol DOMA was up 0.85%. So that's not even quite a percent. And as we see, it's at its 52 high, basically $83 per share. 52 high is 84. So I would say wait for a pullback. If you look over the last month, it's been hot. So you might want to try to catch this in the mid 70s. And, you know, just wait for a day or two. It'll come down. It's been pretty hot over the last month. It's been up 14%. So this I wanted to show you was just that there's only 20 trading days in the month. So I'm just going to give you an example. If you had, let's just say roughly $5,000 in a stock, and it moved 1% a day, that'd be $50 a day times 20. So you make $1,000. It's really not that much money. But, you know, you just want to, you know, you want to think about that. Every day the market moves about 0.01%. And that's time whatever stock you got. So if the stock is, you know, let's just say $150, then you made $1.50. But then it really depends on how many shares you have in that stock. So just keep in mind the average move in on stock is 0.01 times however much you got involved. So if you have $5,000 involved, then you made $50. The flip side is that 9 times out of 10, the stock can be down 0.01%. so that, you have the same chance of losing $50 a day. Let's be cautious of that. There's only 20 trading days in a month. So, the stocks that you invest in, you gotta be ready to either make that 1% or 2%, or even possibly lose 1%. Just keep that in mind. We're halfway through 2021 and we got 6 months left. So let's just say there's 20 days in a month times 6 means there's a little over 120 trading days left. And that's to make that 1% or 2% or 3% a day. Just want to put that out there. So let's go back to Robinhood. Domo, yeah, I think that's it. Domo, only stock left. Next portfolio. All right. So the high player today, Upstart Holdings, we talked about a little bit. In this portfolio, it was up 8% on the day. Second ticker symbol we have is CLOV. Clover Health was up 4.85%. Ticker symbol TSLA or Tesla was up 4.45%. Ticker symbol DIS or Walt Disney brand was up 4.37. Now Disney has several things going. They have the amusement park this summer, whether you're going to Disneyland in California or Disney World in Florida, or one of the other ones. I think there's one in Europe and one in Hong Kong. And also this weekend, they had Black Widow premiere. So Black Widow is on the streaming app and as well as in theater. So Disney has multiple revenue streams. And I definitely recommend you take a look at Disney if you don't already own it. Next ticker symbol today, CAKE or Cheesecake Factory is up 4.10%. Again, this is sort of a reopening play. Cheesecake Factory is, a restaurant. Many people during summer months, they love to travel, they love to eat out, and Cheesecake Factory is like one of my favorite places to eat. So if this dips, I definitely take and add some more to my position. Ticker symbol COF or Capital One Financial is up 2.68%. And ticker symbol CHPT or ChargePoint is up 2.51%. So let's take a quick look at ChargePoint. This will be the last stock of the day. CHPT is up 3.37. It is down after hours. I'm not sure what's going on there. But ChargePoint's 52-week high is $49 per share. A little ways to go. And again, it says ChargePoint is an American electric vehicle infrastructure company based in Campbell, California. ChargePoint operates the largest online network of independent-owned EV charging stations in 14 countries and makes the technology used in it. Okay, so this is like a vertical play. They make it and they distribute it around the world. Okay, Investor Place says consider ChargePoint as an EV infrastructure. Remember, Biden will be doing the $1.9 trillion bill. At least he's proposing it. And there will be bridges built. There will be EV electric vehicles bought by the government, and there will be EV charge stations built. We just don't know when. Now let's go to the news tab. Let's see what else is going on. Consider ChargePoint. Okay, we just mentioned that. So Investors Place. So Yahoo Finance, ChargePoint putting investors' doubts to rest. This was 4 days ago. It says we've discussed these concerns of ChargePoint management and came away with these reinforced convictions, potential for upside for CHPT. So this is, and then here's some more information. Why the red hot EV charging stock jumped 42% in June. And, it's just coming around. If they get that deal signed, it's going to move another 5 or 10%. So that is ChargePoint. And if you want to do some more diving on ChargePoint, you can go to CNN Money. CHPT, the ticker. I'll put the link below the video. And you can see 7 analysts said this, 12 months, that this stock can go as high as $46 per share. Another 12 analysts said, another 7 analysts believe the stock can go to $39. That's another $10, which is quite a bit of move as well. And the stock can go as low as $29 per share. So again, that's ChargePoint Holdings. Keep an eye on that, add it to your watch list. Possibly, add it to your portfolio if you're really confident in it after you do your own research or study. Again, everything in this video is for entertainment purposes only. Consult your own financial advisor or own professional help on making your own decisions. So again, these were my top stocks of the day. The winner was Upstart Holdings. Again, it is the AI platform that powers new banking and loan decisions. And real quickly, if you're in Robinhood, always check out this daily moves in Robinhood. Robinhood has these top movers. Sometimes they're worth checking out, sometimes they're not. This was the Shanghai Group company. They were up 97%, but be very careful about chasing new stocks because as fast as they go up is the fast they will fall. I've also done a quick little chart of how I like to invest. As you can see, high risk. I've at the very top of my pyramid of investments, I invest the least, companies like NEG and DD. And as these stocks earn their pay over time, they move down my chart. So next level, I have Marin, AMC, Clove, those are least owned. And then I start getting into banks like Bank of America, JP Morgan, COP or ConocoPhillips or Exxon, or Travel, Delta Airlines or American Airlines. And then you have Space or Virgin Galactic, Apple, Ford. All these are common household names: Okta, Twilio, Tesla, Google, and Microsoft. So I just wanted to share that with you because you don't have to chase all these stocks. You have all these high quality stocks like Apple and Facebook and Ford. You have all these high quality stocks that you can invest in and build a very well-rounded stock portfolio over time. So again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And we'll see you on the next video.